Welcome to the weather forecast on Acholi Pro Evo TV, and we are not going to waste time. Start straight with the Kuripaliji in South Sudan, that is Magui County. From 9 a.m., the temperature will be 27 degrees Celsius with some few clouds and humidity only 2%. And 12 p.m., the temperature will be 29 degrees Celsius with clear sky with a humidity of 0%. 3 p.m., the temperature will be 31 degrees Celsius with a clear sky and humidity 0%. At 6 p.m., the temperature will be 29 degrees Celsius with broken clouds and humidity will be 0%. At 9 p.m., the temperature will be 27 degrees Celsius with broken clouds at a humidity of also 0%. Then at 12 p.m., that is in the night in Magui County, the temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius with broken clouds at a humidity of 0%. That is all for the Kuripaliji who are in South Sudan. Let's get to Uganda. In Uganda, we start rolling straight with Gulu. When you look at temperature in Gulu today, it will be 20 degrees Celsius. And the real feel of the temperature will be 21 degrees Celsius. Well, the humidity or cloud temperature will be 31 degrees Celsius. And then the real feel will be 36 degrees Celsius. That is at daytime. At night, Gulu will be at 19 degrees Celsius. Then of course, anybody who have gone to Gulu know that is the range of Gulu. Then the real feel will be 18 degrees Celsius. Then Friday early in the morning in Gulu, the temperature is expected at 31 degrees Celsius. Let's look at the sun and the moon in Gulu. The sun will last long of up to 11 hours and 58 minutes. That's how long the sun will stay alive over Gulu. Then the moon will be 12 hours, 18 minutes. The sun rose today in Gulu at 6:43 a.m. exactly, and it will set at exactly 6:41 p.m. The moon in Gulu will rise at 2:04 a.m. and the moon will set at exactly 2:22 p.m. in Gulu. Well, there are some parts of Gulu that will be partly cloudy, with a real feel of 21 degrees Celsius, and the shade that we provide will also be 20 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature of the shade. The wind speed is at 10 kilometers per hour, and the maximum wind gust is 23 kilometers per hour. The humidity will be up to 87%, the humidity in Gulu. And the indoor humidity is also 87, which means outside and inside will be at 87%. The dew point, what Acholi call to a dew point, if you wake up in the morning and touch some of the leaves, some grass, it is at 18 degrees Celsius. Pressure is 1012 MB. The cloud cover over Gulu 35%, and the visibility is the longest distance your eyes can see. Nenomadi round and Mabu Loyo Kaiti Gulu is up to 11 kilometers. Around 11 kilometers. That is if any tree or also any other obstacle does not obstruct you. So if you want to test this, you can climb like KSP, K Hotel, and you see from that how far you can see. Well, Pade district where famous Kuripaliji comes from the home of Paul Okech and Dodoth, as you don't know. They call it Padeonerotunya. The temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius and the real feel is 21 degrees Celsius. At daytime, the cloud temperature is 35 degrees at a real feel of 37 degrees Celsius. At night, Pade will be 19 degrees Celsius and the real feel of the temperature will also be 19 degrees Celsius. Then you wake up tomorrow in the morning in Pade, it will be 34 degrees Celsius. In Pade, the sun will last 11 hours, 58 minutes, and the sun rose today in Pade district at 6:40 a.m. Then it will set at 6:38 p.m. What about the moon? Due from Pade. Due we are at exactly 2 a.m. Then will be setting at exactly 2:19 a.m. The moon will last 12 hours and 8 minutes. So per day in summary will be sunny with 20 degrees Celsius at a real feel of 21 degrees Celsius. Real feel of the shade or the Tibu is 20 degrees Celsius and the wind speed is 8 kilometers per hour. Maximum wind gust 19 kilometers per hour. Humidity is 87%. Indoor humidity is 87% also. Dew point is 18 degrees. The pressure is 112 MB. Then cloud cover 6%. What about the visibility in per day? Your eyes will be able to see as far as 16 kilometers in distance. There will be no cloud sailing in Pade. Well, we will not go very far from Pade, just the neighbor from the east, that's the Gago district, the home of the Chief Justice of Uganda, the home of Professor Gamoris Latigo, the home of Odok Peter Wuruching. Those are the legends in the Gago district, and many other. Can tell us what's where. Now, straight diving into a Gago, the temperature is at 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This is Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Don't get shocked. Humidity is 33%. There was little isolated thunderstorms in the morning. The sky in Agago district will be partly cloudy in the afternoon. The wind is at 5 to 10 milliampere per hour. The chances of rain in Agago is at 30%. So the humidity of Agago is 57%. The UV index or the ultraviolet ray is expected to be extreme, so the sun will be very hot. The rate of the ultraviolet ray will be high. The sun rose at 6:39 a.m. and it will set at 6:37 p.m. At night, in Agago district, the temperature will drop down to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Then also at night, there will be a shower or partly heavy cloud, and the chance of rain still remains at 30%. Still at night in Agago district, the humidity is 72%. The UAV is 0 of 11, which means, of course, at night there's no sunshine, so ultraviolet ray cannot be there. The moon will rise in Agago district at 1:59 a.m. with some morning crescent, and the moon will set at 2:18 p.m. Where are we heading? We are already in Amoro. Amoro is 28 degrees Celsius hot, that's the temperature, and cloud cover is 64%. The wind speed is 12 kilometers per hour. There was a thunderstorm in the morning, and partly cloud skies will be there in the afternoon. The chances of raining in Amoro is at 60%. So there's high chance that it might rain in Amoro. So at day humidity in Amoro is 71%. Ultraviolet ray is extreme, and the sun rose at 6:44 p.m. and it will set at 6:42 p.m. In the night of Amoro, the temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius. Then the cloud cover will be 38%. The wind speed will be 10 kilometers per hour, and there will be scattered thunderstorms, especially late, and is low near 20 degrees Celsius, as I already said. Winds are light, and the chances of raining is at 40%. Also in the night of Amoro, the humidity will be at 83%, and the UAV will be 0 of 11, and the moon will rise at exactly 2:05 a.m. and it will set at exactly 2:24 p.m. and there is a warning crescent in the night of Amoro. Well, Kirgum, the home of giants, Bosmek, Laratuno, the doctor, professor, and all the names, the Nanelugum, Tito Kelo, Larbazilu, all sorts of the biggest legends of Acholi reigns or hails from Kirgum. Those of Roslyn team, but got married in Pade. Yeah, that's how it is. Means Roslyn belongs to Pade. Not without wasting much of your time, Kirgum is 32 degrees Celsius hot in temperature, and the cloud cover is 24%, and the wind speed is 10 kilometers per hour. The wind is moving northeast at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. The humidity of Kirgum at daytime is 53%. Kitgum is too hot. Ultraviolet ray is extreme, and the sun rose at 6:40 a.m. and will set at exactly 6:36 p.m. In the night, Kitgum will be 21 degrees Celsius, 16% cloud cover, and the wind speed will be 10 kilometers per hour, and the wind will be moving from east to north or north to east. So it will be a kind of reverse movement. The humidity of Kitgum in the night is 65%. Then the ultraviolet ray is 0/11%. The moon will rise in Kitgum at exactly 2 a.m. and it will set at exactly 2:18 p.m. There will be also warning crescent in Kitgum. 3 more districts to go straight. To start with, again, Lamont is 31 degrees Celsius, 24% cloud cover, 13 kilometers per hour wind speed, humidity at 61%, ultraviolet ray is extreme, sunrise is 6:41 a.m. but will set at 6:39 p.m. In the night, Lamont will be 20 degrees Celsius. The wind speed will remain the same, 12 kilometers per hour, and the cloud cover also remain the same, 24%, but the humidity will rise to 75%, and then ultraviolet ray will be 0/11, that's a total drop. The moon will rise at 2 a.m. and will also set at 2:20 p.m. There's a warning crescent also in Lamont. Now Noya again, the temperature is 28 degrees Celsius, cloud cover 46%, and wind speed 12 kilometers per hour. The wind direction is west to south, and then also south to west with reverse order. The humidity stands at 74%. At daytime, I think Gimara is a cool place. 74%. And then the ultraviolet ray is very high, extreme. The sunrise is 6:44 a.m. That will set at exactly 6:42 p.m. Then in the night, the temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius. And then the cloud cover will be 43%. The wind speed will change by 2 kilometers. It will go back to 10 kilometers per hour. There is a variability cloud with scattered thunderstorm, and the chance of raining in Noa is at 40%. The moon will rise at 2:05 a.m. and the moon set is at 2:23 p.m. and also a warning crescent. Then the tail or the last is a more district where our highest level of diplomat, who we lost, may soul rest in peace, that is Yakubulanya, comes from, is More district. Straight away, as we summarize today's weather forecast, More district is 29 degrees Celsius. As I remind you to also subscribe to Acholi Pro Evo TV channel so that you get variations of contents. And the cloud cover in More is 38%. The wind speed is higher than More by 1 kilometer, making it 13 kilometers per hour. There will be scattered thunderstorm during the morning, partly cloudy skies. The wind direction is west to north and then north to west. And the speed of the wind direction is 10 to 15 kilometers per hour on average. The chance of raining is at 40%. Let's look at tomorrow at daytime. In the day, tomorrow will be 68% humid. Then the ultraviolet ray will be extreme. The sunrise is going to be 6:42 a.m. and then the sun will set at 6:41 p.m. Straight in the night, there will be variable clouds and the temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius. There will be scattered thunderstorm. The wind direction will remain the same. The wind speed will also remain the same. The humidity will go up to 84%, and the ultraviolet ray will be 0/11. The moonrise will be 2:04 a.m. and the moon set is 2:22 p.m. with also warning crescent. With this, we've come to the end of the weather update for today, and as I continue to wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, subscribe, and if it made sense to you, don't forget to like and also share to other people to show that you care. Thank you very much. You've been with me, Mapson Brian. I'll see you in the next video if you stay subscribed. Bye bye.